News Channel 4's Sarah Stewart joins us now live with details on the investigation. Sarah?
Linda, this happened around 7:30 in the morning on Black Friday. The victim had gone out to his car in his driveway to warm it up. He never expected what came next when a young man walked up to his car.
And he knocked on the window, and he came around, let me see. And he says, "You got a cigarette?"
Doug Myers said his cigarettes were in his pocket, so he stepped out of the car to give the young man one and came face to face with a gun.
Said, "Give me your money," and pulled a gun on me.
Doug said he had no money in his wallet and he refused to hand over his car keys.
He said, "I'm going to blow you away." That's all he said. And I said, "Okay, do it." I mean, I don't have anything to lose. I'm 65 years old. I have AIDS.
That seemed to shock the suspect, who then demanded Doug's ring. Doug handed it over and then says he got pistol whipped.
I guess it was the barrel of the gun or something cut me right there, and the rest of it was just swollen up like that a couple of days.
Doug says he got a few good jabs at the suspect with his cane before the young man took off running. Police were canvassing the neighborhood Monday morning, trying to see if anyone has surveillance cameras pointed toward Doug's driveway. Doug says after the experience, he plans to buy a gun, the first of his life, and learn how to use it in case he's ever in a situation like this again.
And woe be anybody else to try, because I'm going to be legal, number one. Number two, I'll blow them away without blinking.
Refusing to live in fear, but being more cautious and aware of his surroundings.